use it, put it back like no now. If you smell it, you don't use already, you can't take back his scent. Man can become one place, brother. I don't even know what I'm doing. I think it's a fear, like the American fear where Ferris wheel big and them shit. I go inside and I'll go run up and down on them thing there. I mean, I'm holiday. I want him on there with him family there. I mean, put him on family on camera. You see? You know the thing come. Like a spare time to talk to me. True copyright music I play on them things so mostly I can probably get some highlights. Because you can't deal with the copyright business. But so far they look fair and nice. When I jump on the rides yet because I drink earlier. I don't want to throw back everything, you see me? So I kind of stay off right there. I might go up on the Ferris wheel thing there. Yeah, but for the most part, decent man. Decent look like experience. When I get to see what I go on. Look like music, don't feel like. Maybe we can talk. But as soon as the music come back, I have to go chip out this and start doing my own music again. But they have a build back. Molly them they over there, so I think them they on some rides around on the little side ride as well. So music, God. I guess it's a bedtime for you transformer, you know, you see me? You go on a bed. Apparently, alien and come and them stuck, you see me? You don't really go out with much. And as land is spaceship and probably I walk around by the place. Yeah. I see them book up on a couple of them still. Find out what go on. You see it? You know, somebody want to try the wall thing, yeah? The wall climbing activities.
What's Popeye?
It looks up. Wacky Shack. Burn a Wacky Shack, you know? Activities. Make one or two.
You know you can't make none, right?
Little one. I got a little basketball goal sitting on the right today.
much ball you pay for?
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Let me shoot one. What is it?
Yeah, yeah, shoot.
You say we can shoot one, no?
No, answer. Yeah, hard to shoot that. Hard to shoot the foot. No, now go again in the brother. I forget one in the movie.
I can't even make that.
I'll go again now. Do I forget one, brother?
Yeah, Miss Lester, man, that's alright.
Yeah, that
Two more.
2 more. Yeah. Good shot, good shot.
Thank y'all, man. Appreciate it.
Playing game over there a scam, man, see? Don't try none of them. They just bill to take your money. Even though Bossy kind of give me some extra shots a while ago. But they bill to just slap away your money when they come out. I feel like I'm not trying a basketball one day again. But we'll see what I do. And we're not left empty handed. We're not left empty handed.
I don't mean to say one make that.
One, not even one.
Now from here, watch my arm. I extend my arm all the way in until that ring drops.
Watch our foot to you, dog. Watch our foot, see? One of them wrists kind of give a girl a little.
Where's the other arm?
Isn't it?
I got you.
Any cards in the air,
You got
all you
four.
gotta do is stand up and follow.
What about you? He paid. How you know he's trying to pay for you? I'm joking, I'm joking. Alright, let me show you again, okay? See where my hand is, okay? Where most people go wrong is when they walk up. Watch again, keep going and going. It's free to watch, it's free to learn.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is stand it up one time, and we'll give you
Yeah,
any
look right.
prize, any size, any there, in the air. It's stand it up one. I'm gonna give you one more, but you gotta watch me, okay?
You gotta watch it.
Don't watch the bottom, watch my arm. You see where I'm at? Ring goes around the tip of the bottom. Where most people go wrong is they do this. They get this part right, and then they try to inch it up. And you see where they're in? This is where you ended. Don't end, watch. Watch my arm, watch where I end. I'm here, tip of the bottom. And we're gonna stop, okay? Watch where my arm ends. See where I'm at?
Too easy. Hold on, what? It's on the eye, brother. I think I freeze my eyelash freeze. It's cold. I don't know, goodness, I camera, I guess.
Looking at the one and might get the Keep rolling at the one. Yeah, win now. I need to get the 6. Roll at the 2.
People actually in at that, you see me? How fast it has been people in there? Can't tell someone they are talking. night has ended, right? On our way home now. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Try to get as much footage as possible, but copyright music, it'll kill me. If on a weekend bust out a Wizkid or some other artists, and I know for sure the copyright claims will be coming in to play those clips with the original sound for me. Or if we did a talk and did that go on, but done. A nice experience. And Carnival game, eh? Scammy Max Scammers, alright? But it was a nice good thing overall. But now let's talk about how much money we lose. There's no saying one of them scam we have, and worse than it, yard scam of them. I tell you now, I think the liquor even come out of the system. If you don't wonder why I wear this, it was freezing. I think it was 18 degrees or something, 60 something. You know what I go on? Miami, but the things they are Jamaica and the yard one, Miami one, not go so. I'm intrigued. I walk back to the vehicle now, kind of they are good way from it. But I'm just telling you a little more from now. Nothing else, let me say me nothing so. Slap a thumbs up on every guy. Come here and freeze. We'll show you in the next one. Alright? Alright.